Welcome to the enchanting world of butterflies, creatures known for their striking colors and fragile beauty. Butterflies taste with their feet, thanks to taste receptors located on them, allowing them to find their favorite plants.
Contrary to popular belief, butterflies have 4 wings, not 2. Each side of their body has both an upper and a lower wing.
The monarch butterfly, known for its incredible migration journey, travels around 3,900 kilometers to reach its winter home.
Butterflies can only fly if their body temperature is above 26 degrees Celsius. They use the sun's energy to warm themselves. There are over 17,500 known species of butterflies spread across the world, each with its unique patterns and colors.
The lifespan of a butterfly can vary significantly, from as short as 1 week to nearly 12 months, depending on the species.
Butterflies have been around for at least 130 million years, with early species likely not as colorful as those we see today.
The atlas moth, often mistaken for a butterfly, is one of the largest lepidopterans, with a wingspan of nearly 25 centimeters.
Many butterflies migrate to avoid unfavorable conditions, but few do so as impressively as the monarch.
The transparent wings of the glasswing butterfly help it camouflage without vivid colors, an unusual trait among these insects.
Butterflies use a variety of signals to communicate, including wing color, pheromones, and even sounds made by their wings.
Some butterflies are known to engage in mimicry, closely resembling other animals to discourage predators.
The world's smallest butterfly is the western pygmy blue, with a wingspan of just over 1.5 centimeters.
In several cultures, butterflies symbolize transformation, hope, and the souls of the deceased.
Butterflies can see red, green, and yellow, and they're particularly attracted to bright flowers when seeking nectar.
The life cycle of a butterfly is divided into 4 stages: egg, larva, caterpillar, pupa, chrysalis, and adult.
Butterflies are vital pollinators in many ecosystems, helping flowers and plants reproduce by transferring pollen.
The viceroy butterfly mimics the monarch's appearance to benefit from the monarch's bitter taste, which predators avoid.
Butterflies can have a wide range of flight speeds, but the fastest species can fly up to 48 kilometers per hour.
Creating a butterfly garden with a variety of plants can help attract these beautiful insects and support their populations.
Some species of butterflies are known to migrate in huge groups, creating spectacular displays in the sky.
Climate change and habitat destruction are among the biggest threats to butterfly populations worldwide.
Butterflies have compound eyes, offering them a wide field of vision to spot predators and locate food sources efficiently.
The scales that cover butterfly wings are what give them their vivid colors and patterns, as well as helping in temperature regulation.
Butterflies don't grow once they emerge from their chrysalises. They reach their full size as caterpillars.
A group of butterflies can be referred to as a flutter, kaleidoscope, or swarm, each term as colorful as the creatures themselves.
To attract a mate, male butterflies often display elaborate courtship behaviors, including dances or aerial displays.
Butterflies have a high place in art and literature, often representing beauty, freedom, and transformation.
The process by which a butterfly emerges from its chrysalis is known as eclosion, a critical and vulnerable time for the butterfly.
Certain species of butterflies have been known to drink tears from turtles and other animals to obtain necessary salts and proteins.
Butterfly wings are incredibly delicate, and touching them can damage the scales that protect and color the wings.
Some butterflies have evolved to have wing patterns that resemble eyes, frightening away potential predators.
Captive breeding and release programs have become increasingly popular to help bolster butterfly populations in certain areas.
A butterfly's diet isn't limited to nectar. Some species also consume pollen, tree sap, rotten fruit, and even animal dung.
Butterflies play a critical role in their ecosystems, serving as both pollinators and as a food source for other species.
Environmental conservation efforts often include measures to protect butterfly habitats, critical for maintaining biodiversity. Butterfly watching has become a popular hobby, with enthusiasts traveling the world to spot rare and beautiful species.